this channel. Let's learn together.
The Seven Princesses and the Great Enchanted Tree. Once upon a time, in a magical world where kingdoms flourished and fairies fluttered, stood the Great Enchanted Tree, known for its beautiful blossoms and sparkling leaves. Its roots connected all kingdoms from Princess Aurora's kingdom to Princess Tiana's kingdom, from Princess Ariel underwater kingdom to Princess Bella's beloved library to Princess Elsa's frozen kingdom, from Moana's colorful kingdom to Rapunzel's towering one. One day, the Great Enchanted Tree started to loose its leaves and his colors were turning brown. All seven princesses felt the change. They all came fast and gathered at the bottom of the tree. "We have to do something to bring our tree back," said Elsa. "He is sad as he thinks we forgot about him. We have to throw a party for him and invite everyone." "I know where to find the song he likes," said Aurora. "And I will look for the lyrics to the song," added Bella. "I will cook my best meal for the party," Tiana offered. "We will bring the most beautiful shells and flowers from faraway places to decorate the tree," Ariel and Moana said. "I will help you to get up in the tree to hang up the decorations," added Rapunzel, and Elsa continued. "I will make sure the roots are kept cold so not to rot." Once the plan was set, Aurora went to search the magic song that will revive the tree. Bella went to her library to look for the lyrics to the song. Tiana started to cook her special meal for the party. Moana looked for the most beautiful flowers. Ariel started to collect the most beautiful seashells, and Rapunzel started to braid her hair to be easy to climb on it, while Elsa made sure to keep the tree's roots cool. When the princesses gathered together again, they threw a big party for the tree. They decorated the tree and had tables with food around it. They invited everyone from all the kingdoms and sang the magical song. The Great Enchanted Tree came back to itself and fairies flew all around it. "Thank you, my beloved princesses," said the Great Enchanted Tree. "You made me understand that even if we don't see each other often, we still care and remember." From then on, the seven princesses gathered each year around the tree and recounted their adventures. The Great Enchanted Tree was happy. The whole magical land flourished and more fairy tales were written.
Thank you for watching. Come back again.